Make a great choice today with the 2016 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.